Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today, we brought you a brand new video on how you can log into your Balmer Lawrie government employee account. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. Important note, ensure you have a government email address ending in @nic in or a similar domain. Firstly, open your default browser where you are comfortable with. In the address bar or URL, you can just type in Balmer Lawrie Government Employee Login. Here in this interface, you can click on the first link. After clicking the link, you can proceed towards the next web page where you can look for the login section. On the home page, enter the credentials if already registered. If you have already registered, enter your user ID and password in the designated fields. Click on Login to proceed. If you haven't registered yet, you won't be able to log in directly. Click on the link mentioning New User Registration. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will bring more of this type of content in the upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and set the bell icon to all so you never miss any updates. Feedback and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I will see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.